Hello.
Hello, how are
Right.
you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm just trying to see if it's going to connect or not. The third
Yes,
time's a charm.
yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Saudi Arabia, but originally I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay.
Yes.
I'm in Bosnia right now.
Bosnia,
Yes,
where it is,
Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's next to Serbia, Croatia.
is it a
Uh,
country?
yes, it's former Yugoslavia. It's a part of former Yugoslavia.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me the neighboring countries?
Yes, I'll write it down for you.
Croatia and Serbia.
Croatia.
Croatia,
Croatia.
Croatia.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
But I was not familiar with these names.
Okay, well, I don't know. Maybe you've heard of Yugoslavia.
Yes, Yugoslavia. Yes.
Yes, after the war, it's we are now divided up.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that's what you probably know it as Yugoslavia. But the war in 1995, that's when I
Mm-hmm.
moved to Australia actually,
Okay. Okay.
and now it's all different countries.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
I got it. So what time is it there?
It is 7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Yes.
So we are 2 hours ahead of you.
Oh, okay. That's not much actually.
Yes, yes. So do you wake up early or you just woke up to attend the class?
No, I wake up early because I have two small children. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, and
Wow.
before the children wake up.
So they go to school?
No, one is 4 years old, and the other one is
Uh-huh.
4 months old. She's a little baby.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Schools are open there?
yes, they are open. They were closed for about 6 months. They were trying to do it all online,
Uh-huh. Okay.
but actually, they were doing it the first few months. It was via the TV. They were doing lessons. The children
Mm-hmm.
would sit in front of the TV and just look at the lessons. And now I think for a few months they tried it online, but it's better in class
Okay.
because not
Okay.
everyone here has a computer or a good internet signal in every city. So,
Mm-hmm.
how was it in Saudi Arabia?
In Saudi Arabia, it is quite good,
Hmm.
and we can move freely. There is no restriction, and as far as the classes are concerned, we are giving online classes, but we have to go to school.
Oh, okay.
We give online classes from the school. So, but students don't come to school. Sometimes, if they have any problem, then they come.
So, children go to school from what age?
I beg your pardon.
From what age do children start school?
I'm not sure about it. Maybe uh, 3 years.
Really? They start school at
Yes.
7 here.
Wow, great. It is good,
Yes, yes.
and I like this strategy.
Well, it's good. It's a good school system. I personally I went to primary school and half of high school in Australia, and then I came back here and continued.
So you are originally from Australia.
I'm originally from Bosnia, and then
Uh-huh.
I went to Australia when I was 5 years old during the war.
Okay,
Okay, I
okay,
lived over there, and then I came back here during high school. So it was a culture shock
okay.
2 times.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. I got it. So, what is the official language of your country?
Well, in Bosnia, The part where I live, we speak Serbian.
Serbian.
Yes.
Okay, and how is it like?
What do you mean, Serbian?
Yes,
Oh,
this language.
it's well, the languages are, if you in former Yugoslavia, we actually all speak the same language, but it's just different. It's just like a bit different. Serbian, Croatian, Bosnian, it's all the same actually. You know, just like a
Okay,
few words.
okay.
Everything's the
Hmm.
same. It's like similar to Russian or Ukrainian or
Ah,
Slovenian. They're all like similar languages, you know.
okay, okay, I understand. So you are good at what is this? What is this language?
Serbian.
I forgot.
It's
Serbian,
like
sorry.
yes, yes,
You are good at it?
yes.
Okay, great.
What is the official language in Saudi Arabia? It's Arabic, I thought.
It's yes, it's Arabic.
But do you have to know Arabic to? Can you go like English? Can they speak English as well? Mostly.
I did I did not think like that Arabic is necessary to communicate with others, but now I have started realizing it that yes, if we know Arabic, we will have an edge.
Yes.
Because recently I went to get my driving license and I face a lot of problems over there, and I haven't got my license yet, and now I just gave up because because of the
I can
complication.
imagine. But is it easy to learn Arabic from when you move to Pakistan? What is the official language in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, we have Urdu.
How do you say it? Urdu.
Urdu.
Is it like similar?
Yes, it is
Yes,
similar.
but
Even the words, the alphabets
yes,
are the
yes,
same.
yes, yes. Like Russian as well, because my husband works in Ukraine, in the part where they speak Russian.
Hmm.
So it is very similar to Serbian, and how you said the alphabet, that Cyrillic alphabet is the same as well. You can read it, but it's difficult to learn.